What's up, creatives, and welcome to another Romeo show. Today we are going to be looking at my new ambient music videos, and also we are going to be doing another art therapy session for you all. So what we all waiting for? Let's roll intro. How is everybody? Hope you're all well and had a good week and good weekend. The weather has been absolutely brilliant, so I hope you've all been enjoying it, getting out there and enjoying all that lovely weather that we've been having. If you are new to the show, my name is Romeo. I am a sketch and motivational artist, uploading art therapy videos on a Wednesday and how-to videos and motivational quotes and art therapy sessions for you on a Tuesday. If you like that sort of thing, hit the subscribe button, click that bell and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. So yes, last week I uploaded my new ambient music video. If you haven't watched it, here is a quick clip of this video. And it's something that I'm going to be start doing a little bit more of, especially with the incense waterfall features videos as well. These ceramic incense holders are absolutely brilliant. They really do give a nice, meditating, calm, soothing, relaxing feel. Not only do it from the smells as well, but the aromatherapy side to it. It's very calm and soothing and relaxing. So I have these now recorded. I'm going to start recording more of these. There's this one that you have that I've just shown. You have that one up on my playlist, and also there is some background music along with that as well. This one is an hour's worth. I've also done a rain video as well. That is about, I think that's about 7 or 8 hours long. That is. That's another looped video. Also for background as well. These videos are absolutely brilliant if you are looking to have some background music to either study, to concentrate, to draw, even if you just want it in the background as well. But it's even better for you to be going to sleep too as well. I've known quite a few people to start watching these videos and have drifted off within 5 minutes of watching these videos. So they are very relaxing to watch. If you're finding it hard to sleep, chuck one of these videos on. Keep it on in the background, or even just sit there watching the repetitiveness of the motion of either the rain falling or of the smoke drifting down, cascading down into like a waterfall. That will help you to fall asleep, relax, be calm, chill out, and yes, fall asleep too. So if you want to catch any of those videos, the links are in the description below. Check them out. Let me know how you guys get on. There's going to be a lot more of those videos coming along in the future. And yes, moving on to today's art therapy session, we are going to be drawing these very cool and easy to do patterns. Let me just pop these up here like that so you're not getting the glare. These patterns here we're going to be doing, very simple to do, calm and relaxing, ready for your evening. This is going to be nice time to chill out. It's time for the relaxing zone. Let's hit it. Roll the video. that video for you guys. Hope you enjoyed that. Let me know in the comments below. Hit the like button, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, click that bell and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. And moving on to today's quote of the week. Stop looking back in life and keep moving forwards. Forget about the past. The past is past and it's in your history. You can't change it. You can't go back to redo it again. But what you can do is look to the future. Think of your future self. See what you are doing in the future. Have that moment in your head of what you accomplish, what you achieve, what you hope to achieve in the future, and keep that thought steadily in your head. Keep moving forwards, progressing, pushing forwards. So look to the future and see what your future holds. Block that doubt and keep showing up. No matter what you are doing, keep turning up to work, keep turning up for whatever you are hoping to do, keep showing up. Even if no one has invested in you, no one is believing in you, this is the time for you to start investing in yourself. Start believing in yourself. Believe the fact that you can do and accomplish anything that you are hoping to achieve. Even if them results you are not seeing straight away, they may not come straight away, they may not happen for a while, but what you have to do is you've got to keep on pushing forwards. Keep on having that dream. Keep on having that focus, and eventually you will start to see those results happen. Don't give up. It's much more easier to be giving up than it is to be pushing forwards. Unfortunately, that's what it's all about. You got to beat that and you got to push forwards. So put that trust in yourself and the belief, and before you know it, you will be unstoppable. And that's the end of the show, folks. Thank you all again for watching, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, click that bell and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. My name is Romeo. This is Romeo Sketches, signing off. Peace out.